Hi friends, so this is Robin. In this video, I'm going to tell about my this system software and compiler design first lab experiment. So the lab experiment, the task which was given to me was I have to design a program. So it will separate tokens. So I'll give tokens like something like A, B, C or something will be there. I have to leave spaces in it and give. So it will separate the tokens and identify what type of token is it. So think that A is an what in so if A is an identifier, so it will tell that A is an identifier. So plus is an operator, so it should tell that it's an operator, so it should return the value, so whatever it is. And A semicolon, so semicolon is a punctuator, so it should tell that it is a punctuator. So separating a tokens is lexical analyzer. So first task is to design a program that will list out all the lexical analyzer. That is in lexical analyzer, it is also called as parser. So what actually it will do is it will remove the separative tokens and identify the tokens and display. So that is what I'm going to do it in Python. So okay, let's see the code. So the code what I'm giving is I'm giving a read.file. So in this read.file I've given what token I need, and in this lexical and in this lex.py I have given my program. So first I'm giving operator, so I'm using a dictionary concept in so operator. So in operator I'm giving equal to, so equal to is assignment operator, then plus is addition operator, minus is subtraction operator, division is division operator, and then what else I need, so multiplication less than and greater than, till this I'm giving. And after that I'm giving data type, so operators got over, and then data type. So integer I'm telling that it is an integer data type. Through semicolon I'm telling the system that int is an integer type, float is an floating type, character is an character type. So this is how I have declared the data type. And next punctuation symbol I want. So for punctuation symbol also same, I'm giving as colon. So that colon I'm giving inside a single quotation, and then I'm telling the system that it is a colon, and then again semicolon, and then dot and comma and etc. So how much you want you can give. So if there are some other punctuation symbol like single apostrophe, double apostrophe, or whatever you want, you can just go on with it. And then next is identify. So A, I'm telling A is an ID, B is an ID, C is an ID, D is an ID. So what are the IDs you need, you can tell it as identify. So these four are things which I have given: operator, data type, punctuation, and identify. So like if you want for header files like hash, if hash comes, then sometimes hash include iostream.h, so it is an header file. So that is in C++. So if you take it in Python, so import something will come. So if you take it as import, then import, you can give import as a header file. So whatever you want, you can just assign the dictionary here. So after that, what I'm giving is data flag, I'm giving it as false. So at starting my flag, I'm giving the flag value as false. And then this read file equal to open read. So what it will do, it will open my another file, that is .py. You can give it in .py, .txt, or whatever you want. I just give it in py. So in your reading that using a equal to file.read. So in file you have opened it. So what you're doing in a, you are reading again that file, you're storing it in a. Then what are you doing, you're giving count. So you're giving us count at starting, it is equal to 0. Then now what you have to do, you have to split it. So here you can see that I have given 2 lines, so multiple lines. You can even go on with 3 lines. Let me show with, first I'll show you output for 2, and then I'll go on with 3. So you can go on with 2 lines or 3 lines also. So here to split it, so I'm giving a dot split, so program equal to a dot split. So here I have given a equal to file dot read. So this dot split, so whatever it reads, like a plus b equal to c, it will come, and then after it gets over, it will split the line. So that is what I've given slash. So a dot split slash n. And then for line in program, giving a for loop and telling count equal to count plus 1, then print line. If count equal to count, then print line, and it will display that. Then now I have to split the token. So token equal to line dot split. So I'm splitting it with space. So that's why if you see here, I have given space in between each and every tokens, like a space b, then plus, then space b, again space equal to space c. So that is what I've given here. See, the tokens equal to line dot split and then space, then print tokens are. So what are the tokens? At starting of the line, I'll display what are the. First, I'll show you the output and I'll explain you this. Come on, then let's run this. So see this. So here line 1. So I'm getting, it will check the line. Here count equal to count plus 1. So it will check the line and display the line. So here you can see. So line 1. And next, what is this token equal to token dot split? Print tokens are. So with this split, it will print all the tokens. What are the tokens are there? So if you see first line, what are the tokens? A plus B equal to C. The same thing will be printed here. C. So it is printed. Now next, what I'm doing is I'm printing it. Print line. So which line it is, and what are the, and then I'm printing the properties of it. So which line? So line number, the count of the line, the count which I'm taking it here, and properties. So line 1 properties. So line 1 properties I'm giving it here, and then now I'm checking using for loop. So for token in tokens, if token in operators dot key, so it will directly go to operators underscore key. So if token in operators underscore key, then print operator is operator of tokens. If it is in operator underscore key, then it will display all the operators of here. So for example, you can see it. Let's check with this ID. So first my thing is A. So it will directly go where it will go. It will go to identifier. If token in identifier, so A is in identifier. It will check. Yeah, A is in identifier. So what it will do then print identifier is then identifier of token. Which token it is A. So A will get printed. You can see. So identify A. So A is ID. So if you want, you can display even the token also. See A. So A is an identifier. If you want, you can display the token also. When I display the token, my token is getting displayed. So A is an ID. Then here C, B is an identifier. Then C is an identifier. The same it goes to line 2. When it comes slash n, it goes to line number 2. And line number 2 it checks the same thing. And again it goes to line number 3. And so in line number 3 you have nothing. I'll just show you with line number 3 also. Example, I'm giving you float. And then I will save it. And then I'll run this program. See. So your float. So data type is a floating point. So what happens when it comes float? So it will check whether it is an operator key. If token is an operator, no, it is not. If it is in data key, yes, it is in data key because it is a float. So it is a data key, so it is a float. So what I'll show you with this also. Let me display the token. Sorry, there was a small spelling mistake. Yeah, see. So line 4, so line 3, so data type is a token. So what are the token? Token is float. And what is it displaying? Float. So that is how it displays. And you can see here also it displays. This symbol is a semicolon. This is a ID. And for integer type I have not given. So semicolon and ID. So this is how the program comes, and this is at last it tells that if we are in line number 4 and there is no line here, there is no line in 4th line. So the program ends here. So thank you guys for listening to this video. I'll meet you in the second video. I don't know what second experiment, like maybe symbols or something, symbol table or something. Okay then, bye.